Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, welcome. I would love for you to subscribe and hang out for a while. So in today's video, we are going to be decorating my kitchen table and the wall behind my kitchen table for spring/Easter. So as you can see here, this is my normal decor that I have all year round. Well, not all year round. I would say from January all the way to September. So I'm going to go ahead and leave the plates and the charger and the placemats and the runner where it's at. I'm going to take out the centerpiece and add other beautiful decor. So let's go ahead and let's decorate. So before we continue on decorating my table, I'm going to go ahead and spruce up this lantern here. So as you saw at the beginning of the video, this lantern was in my little tray that I had on my table. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to take this piece of grass. You can get this at Hobby Lobby. So I just cut it down to size. And what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to stick it in here because I want to, you know, make like a little centerpiece of some sort out of this. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there just like that. So I also have these pieces of greenery that I just cut right now. I got these at Walmart. These were for 10 cents. I'm not sure why, but they ring up for 10 cents and they were on a whole stem. I just cut them off. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to place them inside. Let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit so that way you can see exactly what I'm doing. So I'm just going to stick them in kind of like, you know, well, first of all, let me show you that I'm going to be using this candle here. It is a flameless candle and it does have a remote. So I will go ahead and place it in. So now I'm going to just go ahead and I'm going to take these little pieces and I'm going to just place them in here, just kind of like stick it into the grass. And I want it to look cute from all angles. And I'm gonna go ahead and put a piece of greenery back here. And I'm just sticking it into the grass. So that's what it's looking like and I'm loving it. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stick some right there. Now I do leave this door open, so that's totally fine just like that. Alright, I think that looks cute. So I'm going to go ahead and take apart, well I'm going to go ahead, yeah. I'm going to go ahead and cut some of these. I got these at Walmart as well. And these were for $1.47. So I'm just going to cut some of these stems off. So I'm just going to go through and I'm going to stick them here in the back. I'm going to put another one back here. because I want this to look good from all angles, being that this is on my table. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place these throughout, just so it looks cute, just like that. And now I'm going to take this cute little bunny right here, and I am going to put him right inside, like that, just like that. And I'm also gonna take this flower here that I picked up at Walmart and I'm just gonna put it here in the corner. And I have another one of these purple flowers, and I'm just gonna put it down here as well. That is what it's looking like, and it is so cute. I love it. Okay, and last I have these that I picked up at Hobby Lobby, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it here at the top of my lantern. Do I want them that way? You know what? I want them going the other way. Just like that. Oh my gosh, so cute. Alright, so here is what it's looking like. And at night I'll light my candle and it'll look so cute on my table. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to place this as my centerpiece in my table, and I just love it. Hey Siri, play Rosalia. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this floral arrangement that I made using all of Dollar Tree products about 2 years ago, and I will go ahead and put it in the iCard right now, so look out for the iCard. If not, I'll link it down at the bottom. I absolutely love this floral arrangement. It's one of my favorites. I do like to display it here on my table. This floral arrangement just screams spring to me and Easter, and it's just so cute. I love it. today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that you were inspired. I really love the way this tablescape came out. I did tweak it a little bit from last year as far as the little centerpiece goes. Maybe next year I'll do something different or add something. We'll see. But for this year, I absolutely love the way it came out, and I love the carrot garland and all of the little bunnies, and you know, just a little scene that I created where it's just the bunnies are having a field day in the grass, and they're just hopping around looking for carrots, looking for eggs, and just getting into mischief. And I think they are so adorable, and I think I kind of got that little scene nailed. Maybe not, I don't know. I think I did. So if you enjoyed this video, please give your girl a thumbs up. It'll mean so much to me and it helps out my channel. So please don't forget to subscribe, because there will be more decorating videos coming up as far as spring and Easter goes. And then I'm gonna give you guys my full decor tour for Easter and spring. So please get subscribed and hang out with your girl for a while. So until next time, XO till I overdose. Bye.